This TikTok account boasts an impressive 530,000 followers. What's even more mind-blowing is that nearly every video has over 1 million views, indicating that each and every one of them has gone viral. Thanks to the TikTok Creativity Program, which pays $1 for every 1,000 views, this channel is likely raking in thousands of dollars each month. One key factor contributing to its success is its niche. This niche happens to be one that appeals to a wide audience: scientific random facts. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to create content for this niche in a unique manner, different from what you see on this channel. By utilizing various tools, we'll elevate the quality of the video, making it more engaging, informative, and polished. You can even repurpose these videos for YouTube if you wish. Here's a rundown of the steps we'll cover today. First, we'll craft a script centered around scientific facts. Next, we'll create a talking avatar to serve as the video's host. Then, we'll utilize AI to generate voiceovers. I'll also guide you through the process of creating and animating images. Finally, we'll compile all the elements to produce the final video output. Let's begin by taking the first step, which involves creating the script for our video. We will utilize ChatGPT and Google Bard, or rather Gemini as it is now called, due to Google's rebranding of their AI. We can compare the output of both AIs and determine which one generates the most exceptional script to use for our video. Initially, I will give ChatGPT a try. Here's how the prompt will be presented. Present me with 10 astonishing scientific facts that will ignite the curiosity of our audience. These 10 facts will be incorporated into a video script, so let's make it captivating and engaging. Let's generate this script. Upon reviewing this script, it is truly remarkable. It encompasses all the desired details. Now, let's compare it with Google, Gemini. I will simply copy the same prompt and click Generate. Alright, we now have the second script. After thoroughly examining both scripts, I have come to the realization that both of them are truly exceptional. However, I have decided to use the script generated by ChatGPT for our video. Now, the subsequent step is to create voiceovers for the script we have developed. In all our videos, we use 11 Labs, which is a top-notch voice generator with impeccable pronunciation. There are thousands of voices that you can select. In the basic plan, you will get 10,000 characters with limited voices. But if you buy its subscription, you will get thousands of voices and voice cloning options through which you can clone any voice. Its subscription for a creator is just $22, and with a discount, it's $11. Link mentioned in the video's description for discount. Now, let's select the voice we want to use and paste the script. Alright, we finished generating the voiceover. Second step is done. Let me demonstrate how to create a talking avatar. To begin, we'll need to create a female character using Leonardo AI, a free AI image generator similar to Midjourney. With Leonardo AI, you'll receive free credits daily, so there's no need to pay for it. Visit Leonardo AI and choose a suitable AI model from the available images. Click on Generate using this model. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can modify the prompt and generate new images. Feel free to try again until you find the one you like. Personally, I find this particular image quite appealing and will use it for this video. Next, we need to animate the character to make it a talking avatar. For this, we'll use Studio DID. To get started, you'll need to sign up, and upon doing so, you'll receive 20 free credits. Once you're on the designated page, click on the Create Video button. Here, you can upload your character by clicking on the Add button. Afterward, you have the option to either type your script or upload an audio file for voiceovers. I'll be adding the audio file and then clicking on Generate Video. Within a few seconds, your talking avatar video will be generated and ready for download. However, please note that in the free version of Studio DID, a large watermark will be placed on the video. If you're unable to afford the paid plan, I have an alternative method. There's another AI called Vidno's AI, which offers a free plan without any watermarks. The only downside is that it takes several minutes for the talking avatars to be generated. To use Vidno's AI, you'll need to sign up and then select the Create Avatar option. Click on the Create Video button after selecting the blank page. From there, choose the Avatar option. Next, choose the talking photo option similar to Studio DID. Upload the character image, and then select the full image option from the top menu. This will remove the circle and resize the image to fit the surface area. Proceed to upload the voice and add voiceovers to the clip. Once done, click on Generate. The video will take a few minutes to be created, after which you can download it. Moving on to the next step, we need to create multiple images for our script. Let's head over to Leonardo AI again. During this process, read your script and create suitable images accordingly. Simply describe the image you want in this prompt and create as many images as you need. This will enhance the quality of your video. Now that we have all the necessary materials, we can proceed to edit the video. I will be using CapCut, a free video editing software. You can download it on your phone or computer and start a new project. Click on the Modify button and choose the appropriate dimensions, which should be a 9:16 ratio. Proceed to import all the images, voiceovers, and videos here. Begin by dragging the voiceovers to the timeline. Next, place the talking avatar video on top of it and adjust its size to cover the lower part of the video. Then, add the necessary images to their designated locations. This process is quite straightforward. Insert all the images and ensure that their sizes are adjusted to fit the upper part of the video. This step may take a few minutes, depending on the number of images used to tell the story. Following this, apply sliding animations to these images. Access the Animations tab from the side menu and apply animations to the images. Once the animation part is completed, it is time to add captions. Navigate to the text option in the top menu. Select Auto Captions, choose the English language, and generate the captions. Within seconds, the captions will be generated. Although initially invisible, you can edit the captions using the menu on the right side. Consider capitalizing all the text and selecting a stylish font. Next, incorporate pre-made text effects to enhance the appearance of the captions. By doing so, the captions will be more visually appealing and easily readable for viewers. Additionally, apply suitable text animations to these text layers using the Animations feature. Once these steps are completed, the video editing process is finished. Export the video and upload it to TikTok. You can also share the same video on YouTube.
10. Astonishing scientific facts that will ignite your curiosity. Fact 1. Did you know that every cell in your body contains approximately 2 meters of DNA, tightly coiled within a nucleus so small it's invisible to the naked eye? That's enough DNA to stretch from here to the moon and back, over 1,000 times. Fact 2. Beneath our feet lies a world of mystery. Earth's inner core, composed mainly of iron and nickel, is hotter than the surface of the sun, reaching temperatures of up to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Fact 3. In the darkest depths of our oceans, life finds a way to thrive. Take the anglerfish, for example, which uses a bioluminescent lure dangling from its head to attract prey in the pitch-black abyss. Fact 4. Black holes, those enigmatic cosmic entities.
If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and informative content.